Tired of being tired? Let's fix your sleep. Struggling to get enough sleep? You're not alone. Studies show that nearly 1 in 3 Americans don't get the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. But what if I told you that creating a healthy sleep routine can be easier than you think? It's true. We can work together to help you prioritize your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Hi, I'm your name, and today I'll share science-backed tips to help you build the perfect sleep routine. We're going to break down some simple changes you can make to improve your sleep quality so you can conquer your day. Are you ready to wake up feeling like a whole new you? Let's get started. Before we dive into creating the perfect sleep routine, it's important to understand your individual sleep needs. Just like with nutrition and exercise, everyone is different. While most adults generally need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, some people might naturally require a little more or a little less. Think about how many hours of sleep you need to feel your best during the day. Do you feel sluggish and unproductive after only getting 6 hours? Or are you good to go? Pay attention to your body's signals and don't force yourself to fit into a mold that doesn't work for you. Once you have a good understanding of your ideal sleep duration, it's time to set a realistic bedtime. And here's the key. Stick to it as consistently as possible, even on weekends. I know weekends are for sleeping in, but trust me on this. Consistency is crucial for regulating your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. Think of your circadian rhythm like an internal clock that tells your body when it's time to sleep and wake up. By maintaining a regular sleep schedule, you're helping to keep that clock ticking in sync, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Let's talk more about the importance of a consistent sleep schedule. You might be wondering why it matters so much, especially on weekends when you just want to relax and catch up on sleep. Well, imagine your body is a well-oiled machine. To function at its best, it needs regular maintenance and a predictable schedule. The same goes for your sleep. When you stick to a consistent sleep-wake cycle, you're essentially providing your body with the routine it craves. This helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally without relying on alarms or feeling groggy. Think of it this way. If you were traveling across different time zones every other day, your body would be completely thrown off, right? Jet lag is a real struggle. Well, constantly changing your sleep schedule, even if it's just on weekends, can have a similar effect on your body. It disrupts your natural rhythm and can leave you feeling tired and sluggish, even if you think you're getting enough sleep. Now that we've established the importance of a consistent sleep schedule, let's talk about setting the stage for a good night's rest. It's all about creating a relaxing pre-bedtime routine that signals to your body it's time to wind down. Think of it like a ritual you practice every night to prepare your mind and body for sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, light stretching, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. The key is to choose activities that help you de-stress and quiet your mind. Avoid anything too stimulating or stressful, like work or intense exercise, close to bedtime. One of the most important things you can do to improve your sleep quality is to limit your exposure to screens before bed. That means putting away your phone, tablet, and laptop at least an hour before you plan to hit the hay. The blue light emitted from these devices can interfere with your body's natural melatonin production. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, and when it's disrupted by blue light, it can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Think of your bedroom as your sleep sanctuary. It should be a place where you feel relaxed, comfortable, and ready to drift off into dreamland. First and foremost, make sure your bedroom is dark, cool, and quiet. These 3 factors play a crucial role in creating the ideal sleep environment. Darkness signals to your brain that it's time to produce melatonin, the sleep-regulating hormone. Consider investing in blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any unwanted light. The ideal temperature for sleep is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A cooler room can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. If you tend to get cold at night, try using blankets for warmth instead of cranking up the thermostat. Noise can be a major sleep disruptor, so do your best to minimize distractions. If you live in a noisy environment, try using earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to create a soothing soundscape. Chapter 5. Watch your evening habits. What you do in the hours leading up to bedtime can have a significant impact on your sleep quality. Certain habits can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Let's start with caffeine. I know that afternoon cup of coffee can be tempting, but if you're serious about improving your sleep, it's best to avoid caffeine altogether after 2 p.m. Caffeine is a stimulant that stays in your system for several hours, so even if you don't feel wired after that late afternoon coffee, it could still be affecting your ability to fall asleep later on. Similarly, large meals or intense exercise close to bedtime can also disrupt your sleep. When you eat a heavy meal before bed, your body is working hard to digest the food, which can keep you awake. Exercise is great for overall health, including sleep, but it's best to avoid strenuous workouts close to bedtime. Exercise energizes your body, and it can take several hours for your heart rate and body temperature to return to baseline. Chapter 6: Power naps versus sleep disruptors. Naps can be a great way to recharge your batteries and improve alertness, but they can also backfire if they're not timed correctly. The key is to nap strategically so you're not sabotaging your nighttime sleep. If you're struggling to stay awake during the day, a short nap can work wonders. But keep it brief. Aim for a 20 to 30-minute power nap in the early afternoon. Why so short? Because longer naps can leave you feeling groggy and disoriented, a phenomenon known as sleep inertia. Plus, napping too late in the day can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. Here's the thing. When you nap, you're essentially dipping into your sleep drive, which is your body's natural urge to sleep. Short naps can help refresh you without significantly impacting your sleep drive, but longer naps can throw it off balance. So, if you're going to nap, make it a quick one and schedule it for the early afternoon when your sleep drive is naturally lower. And if you're consistently feeling the need to nap, it could be a sign that you're not getting enough sleep at night. Chapter 7: When to seek professional help. If you've tried implementing all of these tips and you're still struggling with sleep, it's important to remember that you're not alone, and there's no shame in seeking professional help. Sometimes, underlying medical conditions or sleep disorders could be contributing to your sleep problems. A healthcare professional can help identify any potential issues and recommend the most appropriate course of treatment. For example, conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome can significantly impact sleep quality. These conditions often require professional diagnosis and treatment to address the root cause of the problem. Don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or a sleep specialist if you're concerned about your sleep. They can evaluate your symptoms, conduct any necessary tests, and work with you to develop a personalized plan to improve your sleep. Remember, prioritizing your sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. It's not just about feeling well rested, it's about optimizing your physical and mental health. With these simple changes, you can transform your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed every day. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building a healthy sleep routine. So, what's your biggest sleep challenge? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Sweet dreams.